Welcome to this tech tip on creating a service case for the Sunny Central and Sunny Central Storage inverters. To submit a service case for these products, you must extract SMA data from your inverter, complete the OSC form, and upload the data file to your service case. There's two methods to connect to your inverter's network, either remotely by entering your inverter's IP number on the Edge web browser, or by connecting a TCP IP from your laptop and to your inverter. If you're using a TCP IP, please enter the following IP number on the Edge web browser: 192.168.100.1. In the login section, click the drop-down menu and choose Installer. Enter 1111 as your password. This is the default factory set password. If this is your first time using it, the system will prompt you to change it immediately. Once logged in, click this icon on the top right and select Export from the options provided. In the Exports page, select Service Information. Click on Create Service Info. Now select a start date corresponding to when you first experienced issues with the inverter. Then, choose an end date that is within 3 days of your selected start date. Once the file is created, select the file and click Download. Great, you've extracted the data from the inverter. Now head to my.sma-service.com and log into your account. Go to Case Support, then Request Support, and fill out this form with your information. Here's an example. Under the subject line, enter the site name, inverter ID, inverter model, and the error number. In the case summary section, describe the inverter issue in detail, including all fault codes and any troubleshooting steps taken. Include the shipping address, contact names, phone numbers, and/or email addresses. Enter the facility or power plant name. Abbreviations are acceptable. You can also input an internal ID like a customer PO number. From the drop-down menu, select the type of inverter or equipment. Avoid delays by accurately entering the serial number of the equipment to route this as a technical case. Identify and record all error codes shown on the device or system monitoring tool and enter them in this field. In this section, select the support type. From this drop-down menu, select the detail that best describes the issue. You may select Other if the problem isn't listed in the menu. Review the form one last time, then click Submit below. Once your case has been created, go to My SMA Cases under Case Support. Find your most recent case and attach the downloaded data file from your inverter. Please ensure that your file size is less than 50 megabytes. Go to this site and upload your file if it's more than 50 megabytes in size. That completes this procedure. If you'd like additional support, please visit our online service center. Thanks for watching.